This is the rainbow runner and this is the cavalli. Just caught fresh fish to cook in the kitchen. Well, I'm going and collect the fresh fish that just caught by my husband.
Which we call a salmon, a cavalli, and the next 5 is bonitos.
This is the rainbow runner and this is the cavalli. Fresh fish just caught. This is how we have fresh fish every day to cook in the kitchen. These is where they normally, we normally eat this, but they use this for bait, for banking. You know, people from the other end of the island, they love this. They call this bonito. The meat is red like a steak. So this is the fish, the rainbow runner, salmon. So this is the fish that were caught that I collect on the beach. Yeah, we clean it, we do everything ourselves. My husband do everything. We call him the fishman for the business. His portfolio is to catch fish for the restaurant, and then he catch it, clean it, and he's a very good prep man. He clean, he season. I put it in some flour with black pepper, paprika, and cayenne.
Okay, so you'll season the flour?
Yes, we season the flour. Okay. So we season the flour up and put it to fry. You know we bread it now. So this is some nice steak slices that we put in the pot. So this is already seasoned with garlic and all of this. Fish is always on our menu. Fish is always on our menu. When you come to the restaurant, this is the daily routine and the daily menu. What fresh fish we have for the day, then we say. Yes, my service is breakfast, lunch and dinner. But breakfast is by reservation. You're in Charlotteville country, you check Sharon for a lovely cup of chocolate tea with fried fish or salt fish or smoked fish with a real nice coconut bake. That's what I did this morning. Yes, we offer accommodations. We have 5 rooms, 5 beautiful rooms overlooking Man of War Bay, overlooking the fish market. So you could actually be in your little balcony and you look down, you see fish coming over to the fish market. And if you want to purchase fish to take home, if you're locally, if you want to take fish to Trinidad, you could we have, freezer space that we hold fish for customers, for guests that is here. So staying by us at the Big Fish is like home away from home. We treat everybody like family. Very nice color. Very nice.
So how do you know when it's time to fill it?
When you give fish, like if a very hot pot, fish supposed to cook in 5 to 6 minutes. So we just say 3 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other side. Just as the same thing like when you do grilling. When it's fried, like now, this one side is already fried. Sometimes because of this fry on one side very good, you doesn't have to flip it over. So you give this 3 minutes and it's good.
So that's the color you're looking for?
Yeah, this is the color I'm looking for. Very nice color. Very nice and crunchy. Some people like their fish very dry, but when you have it too dry, you take out all the moisture of the fish. So fish must fry in a nice medium dry, not dry. Some people do like it dry.